Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Sumo on GTA 5. First, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and navigate to the online section. From there, open your in-game phone and select the Quick Job app. This will allow you to browse available activities and modes. We'll then guide you through selecting the Sumo adversary mode specifically. It's a fun, chaotic mode where players try to push opponents off a platform. Get ready for some intense vehicle combat. Once you've opened your in-game phone, look for the Quick Job application. Tap on it to bring up a list of available activities. You'll want to select the option that says Play Adversary Mode. This category contains all the unique competitive game types. Scroll down until you locate either Sumo or Sumo Remix, depending on which version you prefer to play. Both offer thrilling, high-stakes vehicle battles on elevated platforms. After selecting your preferred Sumo mode, you'll be given the option to either join an existing game or host a new one. Choose Host to customize your match. You can set parameters such as the number of rounds, typically between 1 and 7, and the time limit for each round, often around 2 minutes. Once your settings are configured, invite your friends or open the session to public players for a full lobby of up to 16 participants. To dominate in Sumo, vehicle choice is crucial. Opt for heavier, more durable vehicles like the Phantom Wedge or the armored Kuruma for maximum impact. Maintain a strategic position, generally staying towards the center of the platform to minimize your risk of being pushed off. Your primary objective is to force all opposing vehicles off the platform while remaining on it yourself. The last player or team standing wins the round, earning valuable reputation points and cash.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.